Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be speaking about our graduation ceremony. The first person I would like to ask what I feel is my dear friend Mike. Mike, you can't hide behind me. Tell me, how do you feel on this day of graduation?
Congratulations to you, congratulations to your channel and to your subscribers also. Good morning.
Please tell them to like, share and subscribe.
Please like, share and subscribe.
Okay, now coming to the other people. Hi Navneet, how do you feel about my YouTube channel?
It's very good, very informative, and the videos are very long.
You want me to make it shorter?
Shorter.
So from this you can see that I take constructive criticism from in my side.
Yes.
I like constructive criticism as long as it doesn't become destructive.
Yeah, it's very good.
Shruti, come. This is Shruti, one of the budding plastic surgeons from Hyderabad. Butted already butted. Okay, now Bata.
I have not watched even a single video.
Oh, that's sad.
Don't watch it.
But even if you don't see, please like, share,
Let
and
us
subscribe.
subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Yes. Yes. Slowly on to other people. This Ganesh. Hi Ganesh. What do you feel on this day of graduation, Ganesh?
First of all, congrats to you. Congrats to all the graduates. I'm very happy for your channel. All of you, please like and subscribe this channel. And I'm very proud on this day.
Proud of you, proud of your
All of it.
friends, or my YouTube channel? That you tell me.
YouTube channel at the last. Proud of me, proud of my friends and others and all of India and everyone else
Except me.
and probably your YouTube channel.
Okay, on to other people. Ganesh, please tell me, how do you feel on this day of graduation?
Happy and as wishes to all who has graduated. And I do subscribe and I think even I like the video today.
That's good. See, that is what our channel aims. Our channel aims to reach every household and be a part of their household, like breakfast is, lunch is, dinner is. On to other. Now comes one of the important persons of our podcast channel who makes me very knowledgeable. That is my friend Raghav. Raghav, what do you think on this graduation day? What do you feel about the graduation? We speak in English. That is about, today we are going to be speaking about GST. That is a different topic, but today I am asking Raghav, what do you feel about getting graduated? What do you feel about attending your 100th convocation of your life? Both are different, huh? This is, tell me, do you plan to attend more convocations? Raghav has been studying when you were in first standard, when you were in fifth standard, when you were in 12th standard, even when you were in college, Raghav was still studying. Finally, he is finished. Now tell me, Raghav.
I want to live a peaceful life.
Peaceful life, matlab. Please wait, Niharika, your turn will come. Everybody is so excited to attend this podcast. I understand. Niharika, your turn will come. Please wait. So as we can see, what residency has made Niharika is residency has made Niharika old. Bas, or kuch nahi. Now you come back, Raghav. Raghav is an important member of our channel, so let's spend some time with him. So Raghav, what do you think our future goal of our channel is?
Future goal. Only.
Okay, just goal. Why future goal?
Keeping a fans meet at NCPA.
Today, let's manifest that, Raghav. One day we are in NCPA Mumbai and we will keep a fans meet here. The date is September 5, 2025. And we will invite Ganesh and give him free breakfast. Same upma and muffin I will give him. To tell about Geet, Geet is one of the gold medalists. So he is the topper of the exam. See, there are two types of gold medalists. One who officially gets it and the one who gets it from my heart. My heart is yours. Now tell. What do you feel about your residency and what do you think about your colleagues? Not how you worked with them because वो गाली मिलता है. वो छोड़.
Detail when you come for the NCPA meet.
NCPA meet is 10 years away. So we are just manifesting today. This is how when you are in 5th standard you will tell na you will be 12th standard one day. उसके लिए 7 years लगेगा.
The best person you tell about residency. The batch the NCPA.
I will come there. So what has residency taught you, Digit? I want to know.
What has it taught us? In life?
Life. Surgery छोड़. Life.
Not only meeting is out.
This I want. Raghav, what do you? So Raghav has just made one line. So Raghav, what do you tell about the future generations when they want to become a doctor and a surgical oncologist like you? What do you want to tell? Give 2 lines, taglines.
Become YouTuber like James.
With 207 subscribers. Sorry, 208 today morning. You can't tell all. Join Tata, your life will be perfect and settled. We will cut his voice. Now let's. What do you think about the YouTube channel?
उसका नाम बोलने पे बालकनी से कोई दिखाने वाला है.
What did you do? I started my channel 2 months back. How 3 years you learnt about my channel? See, in Tamil there is a famous saying, "Kudukra kaasoda jastiya pesrade." So means you give 20 rupees and tell somebody to speak, they will speak for 100 rupees. That is what that is what Niharika is currently doing. So now let's speak. And one more thing, congratulations on becoming a mother, Niharika. We are proud of you.
MCH has made that
No,
James also.
MCH has not made. No, MCH has not made that possible. Virinchi has made that possible. And for the viewers, Virinchi is her husband. Before any conspiracy theory comes up, Virinchi is the name of her husband.
I hope this is the last graduation.
See, the word hope is very dangerous. Okay, means that you want to do another degree.
Definitely not.
So, what do you think about your life in the last 3 years? What about the amazing people you have made?
Yeah, I have been with many amazing people except this guy.
Oh, that's okay.
It was fun. Made new friends. Enjoyed life a lot. I'm very proud of this friend of mine who is making a wonderful YouTube channel.
So please like, share and subscribe. Tell that man. I should not tell you to tell man. I'll speak about Abhishek and his channel first before we talk about his painful life in Tata. हो गया. We already spoke to Raghav. Now you tell me, Abhishek, what do you do in your YouTube channel?
I share travel videos.
So guys, for 3 years of residency, so whenever we used to get time,
No, he always got
Have
time. Continue.
all my videos, whatever are there during my residency. So
Selfie mein.
lots of places to visit in Maharashtra. So just take car and go.
Just
That
take
was my-
car and go, matlab, pahad mein. He took
Pahad
me
mein.
into the mountain, the engine got damaged and we walked 4 kilometers uphill.
But we made it back
We
safe.
made it back. Luckily, the rent car driver didn't get any money from us. That is the only good thing. Anyways, it was nice working with you, Abhishek, because I didn't work with you. Those who work with you don't do the same. I'm joking. Anyways, what do you think about my YouTube channel, Abhishek? Now, please.
Yeah, very good, bro. Very good initiative. All on current affairs. Good hot topics. I think definitely you guys should watch
Like,
and subscribe,
share and subscribe me.
make his channel grow exponentially.
Hi Prem, how are you? So Prem has been one of my first friends. From that time I didn't know Hindi. Even now I don't know Hindi. That is a difference. How was your life in residency, Prem? Tell me.
Life was good.
Arey, he was half the time with me only. Da. Half the time he was with me only. Me, I'm giving. Good on me. What do you think about your daughter? That was the greatest gift in the last 3 years for me. Prem is a man of few words and more action. In a good way. What do you think about my YouTube channel? Going good? This is just for the camera or such mein? Okay. Now let's come to the new mother. Yes. Oh, this is Prem's wife and this is Prem's daughter. Hi. Hi. Oh, nahi. Yeah, she is shy of the camera, not of me. नहीं पिक्स कम व्यूज बढ़ेगा थोड़ा most controversial surgical oncologist of all time, my one and only. So introducing to you controversy and Pavan, they both mean the same. There is no difference between these two words. We are going to recommend to change the meaning of the word controversy to Pavan only. Now tell me, Pavan, other than fellows, what do you like about Tata?
I like everything about Tata
Except,
except being in Tata.
oh wow, that's a good line. But you are graduating from Tata.
It's okay. I did my hard work. That is a reward.
Pavan is single, provided his wife gives him permission. Otherwise, he has a wife and a beautiful kid.
I am single. I got into Tata because of NEET. That's all.
See, I told you now, Pavan is known for two things, speaking controversially or not speaking sense at all. I am single because I got in NEET. What does it mean? I still don't understand. What do you feel about graduating at the age of 40? What do you feel about graduating at the age of 40?
Put a smiley on his face.
How do you feel when you're lying on the face in front of the camera?
So tell me, what do you think about the YouTube channel? Virinchi is, for first starters, Virinchi is a very good friend of mine, in fact my brother, but with a lot of grey hair, so elder brother.
See, if you go to James' house, you will find 1 liter of indigo hair gel, which is not there.
Bata.
YouTube is good, but you do passionately, not for money.
Abhi, where money is coming? Okay guys, finally I'm getting graduated for the last time in my life, hopefully. And Latika is going to improve my name. She is going to take fellows under my name. She's promised to start a fellowship in my name. So this will be done for the vlog today. Mind, you said hi first, so you say bye first.
Bye. Please put it on.
Finally, bye.
Everybody say bye.
Bye.